Example number 2. Let's calculate the measure of angle C to the nearest tenth. In this case, we have identified angle C with yellow highlighter, and then we have to determine which trig ratio to use. Clearly, if we apply our knowledge of opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse ideas, we're going to see very quickly that we're using the sine trig ratio. Let's see how this works. The sine of angle C is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Now, how do we find the opposite side in hypotenuse? Let's start with angle C and directly draw a line across to the value 3. Next, we ascertain that 5 is directly across from angle B, which is 90 degrees. So it must be the hypotenuse. Given that we have an opposite side of 3 and a hypotenuse side of 5, we're using the sine trig ratio. So sine of C is equal to 3 divided by 5. Now we have to convert the fraction 3 over 5 to a decimal. So 3 over 5 converts to decimal 6. And I've added some extra zeros because certain problems you'll face may ask you to use 4 significant digits after the decimal place to obtain a very good accurate reading. Now you will use the sine inverse function. So angle A is equal to sine inverse of decimal 6. And your calculator will do this using method 1 or method 2. Your calculator may require that you put in second function, then you press the sine button, then you type in decimal 8, and then you hit the equal sign. Or you may have to use method 2. You may type in 0.8 into your calculator, press the second function button, then press the sine button, then hit the enter equals button, and you should get angle A is equal to 36.9 degrees.